numbering system in 1 minute. So first is Zygmundi or Palmer system, where the primary dentition is represented as A to E in all the four quadrants, where A stands for the central incisor and E stands for the second molar. And in permanent dentition, it is represented as 1 to 8 in all the four quadrants, where 1 stands for central incisor and 8 stands for the third molar. Next is the universal tooth numbering system, in which the primary dentition starts from A, which is the maxillary right second molar, up till J, which is the maxillary left second molar, and then it proceeds to K, which is the mandibular left second molar, up till T, which is the mandibular right second molar. Then the permanent dentition starts from 1, which is the maxillary right third molar, up till 16, which is the maxillary left third molar. Then it proceeds to 17, which is the mandibular left third molar, up till 32, which is the mandibular right third molar. Third is the FDI system. Now this system is basically a 2-digit system, where the first digit indicates the quadrant number and second digit indicates the tooth number. Now quadrants are classified as 1 to 4 for the permanent dentition and 5 to 8 for the primary dentition. Now if I take an example of 1, 4, where 1 indicates the first quadrant and 4 indicates the tooth number, which is the first premolar. So it all makes up maxillary right permanent first premolar. Next example if we take is 5, 3, where 5 indicates the quadrant, which is the first quadrant, and 3 indicates the tooth, which is canine. So it makes up maxillary right primary canine. If you like such videos, then do follow my page.